Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing the missing force feedback step by step. Check wheel firmware and update drivers using the manufacturer software. Inspect USB connections and try a different port to rule out power issues. Open wheel properties and confirm steering lock is 900 degrees and wheel gain is 100%. In Assetto Corsa, check FFB strength and set frequency to 60 Hz to match your wheel. Note any error lights or calibration failures before changing game files or reinstalling drivers. Follow these simple fix steps to restore force feedback quickly. First, reset Assetto Corsa FFB settings to defaults and then apply your saved wheel profile. In the wheel software, set steering lock to 900 degrees and wheel gain to 100% for full travel. Set minimum force to 5% and filter or damper to 0 for responsiveness. Update wheel firmware through the vendor tool and run a full calibration sequence. Restart the PC and launch Assetto Corsa to confirm the feedback returns. After restoring feedback, test on an Assetto Corsa track for real confirmation. Drive several laps and listen for clipping, vibrations, or dropouts in steering feel. Adjust gain, damper, and minimum force in small increments to balance strength versus clipping. Use telemetry apps or the in-game replay to inspect torque spikes and consistency over time. If stable, save a named profile in both the wheel software and game to avoid future resets. Keep a backup of your working settings for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.